In this video, I am going to show you how I made this box pleated skirt with Pinafore cross belt for a 2-year-old. The length needed for this skirt is the full length, which is 16 inches, the waist circumference, which is 21 inches, and the cross belt length, which is 9 inches. For the body of the skirt, I cut out 17 inches for the length. That is the skirt length minus 1.5 inch for the band. That will give me 16 inches minus 1.5 inches to give me 14.5 inches. So 14.5 inches plus extra 2.5 inches sewing allowance for joining to the band and folding the hem of the skirt. That will give me 14.5 inches for 2.5 inches to give 17 inches. So that's the length I will be cutting out for the skirt. For the breadth of the skirt, I cut out the waist measurement multiplied by 3. That's 21 inches multiplied by 3 to give me 63 inches. For the cross belt, I measured from the shoulder to where the skirt would sit. That gave me 9 inches multiplied by 2 because the belt would be for the front and the back. So I cut out 18 inches plus 2 inches allowance for the joining to the skirt. I have two belts that measure 20 inches by 1.5 inches. For the breadth of the belt, I cut out 4 inches, fold in half an inch at both sides, then fold in again to give me 1.5 inch on fold. The skirt band is 24 inches by 1.5 inches. To pleat the skirt, I have marked 2 inches interval on the waistline. Pick the first mark and place it on the second mark and pin it down. Then pick the third mark and place it on the second mark and pin it down, just like I'm doing in the video. Continue the process until you are done. Then I confirm the waistline, which is 24 inches in all, before I sew the pleat down. Then iron out the pleat. The next step is to attach the band to the skirt. I have also hemmed the skirt. Then close the back with 1.5 inch on fold. the next step is to attach the zip and belt to the skirt. To attach the belt, align the skirt and mark the midpoint. From the midpoint, mark 2 inches to both sides. Place the belt on the front first, crossing it to the back. Mark 2 inches also from the center back. For the belt to cross, take the belt on the right side on the front part and attach it to the left side on the back side of the skirt and vice versa. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.